We had a real issue with waste. We had waste overflowing, literally.
Driving around looking for rubbish bins that are not full is wasting fuel.
Sometimes the trucks were turning up to areas that the bins were empty, other times the bins were full and overflowing.
If we're talking about community outrage, a bin which is overflowing and then it's got bags stacked around it, nobody wants that.
The Cassowary Coast region is 4,700 square kilometres. It's a huge area to look after. Fuel, carbon emissions, labour, wear and tear on our vehicles. Yeah, the whole situation had reached a tipping point.
We had information coming in that our bins were overflowing, but we couldn't prove it one way or the other. There was no data. We didn't know the scale of what the problem was.
Any time that garbage is coming out of the bin and is on the ground is a problem for us and a problem for wildlife. And that even includes cassowaries, and that's very unhealthy for them.
So our community were upset, our bins were overflowing, and this issue was impacting our native wildlife. We wanted to stop just being reactive. We needed to take a step back and have a look at the whole waste system.
The council was saying, well, it's got to be done better.
Telstra suggested a sensor that would fit into the palm of your hand that would use their NB-IoT network and give us the information we needed.
Suddenly, the bins can communicate.
The data gave us enough information so we could be smarter about what we were doing. We were getting information when the bin was full, as it was filling up, when it had been emptied, and if it was overflowing.
This is providing us with really valuable information. Seasonal events, festivals, even when the fish are biting.
It means that trucks can go where the rubbish is instead of going to places where it's not. It's all about increasing efficiency of garbage collection.
For the first time, we weren't picking up after ourselves.
We're now working with technology to provide a more sustainable Cassowary coast.